Hey, good afternoon, Neil. Simple Futures, Thursday, September the 7th. A reminder, we are going into rollover next week, and that will start on Monday. The expiration is at the end of next week on the 15th, and that is a triple witching quarterly expiration where pretty much everything expires. But these products, the S&P futures, the S&P, the NASDAQ, Dow, Russell, etc., they're going to roll to December on Monday morning, first thing, 8:30, right on the bell. And we'll talk more about that next week because there is some significance in it, in that the roll and the gap, the premium between the two contracts is pretty substantial. So that's the first thing. Secondly, we were prepared for if up or if down today, but neither happened. You can see here, absolutely nothing. Completely sideways today. But what that does do is allow us to lower a couple of things. It does a couple of things. All right, so one, it allows us to lower the over-under line in the sand down to 55 for tomorrow. And it also gives me the idea that 72.3 up here, 44.72.3, is overhead now. And if indeed it is, in other words, tonight and early tomorrow morning, we trade up and find that spot right in there, I would be really ready for that to be overhead. If it is, then your target is down here at 44.19. You want a T2, you can go 44.09. Target 19, backup target for extended target 09. But line in the sand 55, overhead 72.3, bearish target 19, extended 09. That's for tomorrow, Friday. Fridays have been bearish, and this thing did not do well at doing anything today, really, but certainly not catching a bid. Didn't do well at breaking. Didn't do well at anything. Just sideways. But that's, tomorrow's end of week. There'll be some get out of the way kind of trade that I can at least anticipate because Fridays have been a little bit bearish. And that allows us to go into next week early, first thing, rollover, first thing on the bell Monday morning, so be ready for that. Switching to December futures contracts on equity index futures contracts on Monday morning. Okay, take care, good trade, nice evening. Catch you again next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me